Halo.
Ini ngelasnya kayak mana, Bang Jos? Ngelasnya kayak mana? Ini kan udah gini.
Ya.
Terus ngelasnya kayak mana? Gimana ngelasnya?
Ya, saya mau itu ikut di belakang ini ya.
Iya, udah mentok ini.
Ya.
Ngelasnya kayak mana? Dari mana ngelasnya?
Las di samping
Wah,
dan bisa potong sedikit dan las di belakang juga.
oh, ini potong aja koak.
Sedikit ya.
Nggak apa-apa.
Satu grinder ini sama ini. Coba di belakang bisa.
Oh, berarti di sini.
Potong sedikit di ini.
Belakang.
Sedikit. Terus ke bawah.
Baru bisa dilas di sini kan?
Dari depan.
Iya, tapi dari depan ngelasnya kan kemarin aja kan?
Ya.
Gini nanti Bang Jos.
Hah?
Gini nanti kan?
Ya.
Udah bengkok dia nih. Kuat nih Bang Jos.
Ya, coba
Nanti dilas.
buka ini sedikit. Jadi bisa las ini ke sini ya. Dengan hammer itu. Apa itu bahasa Indonesia?
Kayak martel.
Hah?
Ini.
Ya.
Martel.
Martel.
Ya.
Ya, buka ini sedikit ya.
Biar ku tambah aja nanti besi dikit Bang Jos. Sini dia. Biar kuat dia. Tambah besi sini nanti. Biar dia bisa lebar juga Bang Jos. Ya kan? Nggak usah.
Enggak harus karena ada plat kuat di depan.
Iya, nanti kan ini ditutup. Ya kan?
Oh iya.
Biar kuat dia Bang Jos nahan. Maksudnya.
Enggak apa-apa.
Nggak apa-apa.
Ya. Ini bisa ke belakang ya. You put this in the back. Lebih di belakang. Bisa.
Oh bisa Bang Jos, nanti ku gerenda dikit ini.
Ya, buka itu ya.
Ya, dikit.
So I want him to open the
Biar
back here
bisa rapat dia kan. Sana
so
kan.
that he can get this piece of metal back there. Yeah. Okay.
Oke.
Oh, look who's here. Siapa kamu? Jam 8 itu ya.
Ini apa?
It always says 8 o'clock.
Jalan loh.
Okay, tapi sebelum kamu kerja harus kerja untuk saya 2 jam gratis dulu. Kerana ini keempat kali kamu salah. Ya? Kenapa saya bisa masuk di bawah itu? Why can't I go underneath here? I can stick my finger underneath.
Bahasa Indonesia aja Bang Jos.
Ya, 2 jam gratis ya. Kenapa bisa masuk sini? Sudah tahu nggak bisa ini, tapi di bawah kenapa? Hah? Kamu cepat. Ya, gratis 2 jam ya. Mau kerja lagi untuk saya memperbaiki. Okay? Kenapa kamu harus cepat? Karena kamu cepat, kamu salah. I don't like to pay many times for the same work. Ini kerja keempat. Ya, kamu capek kerja ini, tapi kamu mau selesai itu, jangan cepat. Ya? Okay? Setuju? Ya? Saya tidak mau bayar 4 kali untuk ini. Ya, memperbaiki, ganti ya. Saya capek, kamu capek. Jangan cepat ya. Setuju? Huh? Alright. Okay, you're boss.
Enggak, aku nggak bos.
You boss. No, I boss you, you boss them. Ya. Mereka lupa. Kemarin dia mau ini ke sini. Kenapa? Ini sini. Tapi ini panjang. Ya, kamu lihat, cek ya. Dia salah, kamu bilang, hey, ganti itu ya. Hati-hati, pelan-pelan. Ya, kerja pelan-pelan ya. Oke? Bos? Oke. Ya, saya mau ini satu biji terus ke sana. Harus potong itu sedikit. Oke. Kenapa kenapa ini ketiga kali kamu buang ini? Kenapa?
Patah itu, Pak.
I don't understand you. Saya mau
Itu putus.
ini kamu kedua kali kamu masuk ke besi itu. Saya bilang mau ini ke sana. Kamu install dan luar. Kenapa? Ya, oke. Begitu dia bahas ya. Oke. Kamu memperbaiki ini sekarang ya, di bawah. You can focus this one.
Yes.
Him, I don't know. Well, it's finally sunny. It's been raining and miserable. It's not cold really, but for here it's cool. Anyway, we've made a lot of progress. I think we've finally gotten this in the position I want it. Probably do a little bit more welding on it. This one needs to be put down a little bit. Ini ke bawah sedikit ya. Finally got this piece back. Harus tambah di bawah dan ini ke bawah ya.
Yes.
But the new thing is we've got the sides up all the way the length of that on here, and soon we're going to be putting all the little uprights. I don't have all the perfect terminology for this, but we've got the supports in here. Tambalas di dalam ini ya.
Yes.
Dan bisa tambah sedikit besi. Trying to make this as strong as possible. And I think he's finishing up that one. Then we're going to build up the front here. See, add a bunch more welding here. Actually, I might end up doing that because there's so much work to do here. I've got my new welding helmet because my face was burning because my light complexion and the radiation from the welding burns me real good. So anyway, we got some cleaning to do in here, but this is pretty good. Gotta fix some of this metal on the back here. A lot of work to do, but we've gotten, I don't know, probably 80% of the frame we want to do inside done. At least 80%. You can see got a little bit of a gap here, but we might fill it with that rubber trim stuff to waterproof. I don't know. Not so important. They took out the piece that, like this one. Got to put it back. But took it out to do some work on this here, changing the metal with some stronger metal, and eventually this is going to be covered with a thick plate here going up all the way, a real strong plate. We have thin metal, we got thick metal. This is for thick, and we're going to be installing a seat that's going to be attached here only with no feet underneath. So we've got to strengthen the seat and take off the legs and then make the foundation for these here. I've got 2 sets of these 4 that came out. We're putting two of them back, and the others we're not going to be using. So we're going to be having 2 meters back here. So I've got to move the 2 seats that are here little bit forward because I'm just shy of 2 meters clear, and I'd like to have a 2-meter box here. So, but we'll see. Should be close. That's ideal, but I don't know if that'll happen. Anyway, a ton of progress, and yeah, I want to get this done really well. Get all the welding done. Patch up the little holes so you can see a bunch of holes in here. I don't know if you can, but I can. Ton of holes in the ceiling, partly from welding, partly from knocking out the old metal. Broke up some of that sheet metal on the roof. So I've got to patch all of that up. Of course, then we've got to work on some of this, removing some of the metal here, put some new stuff in here. You can see it's been done in the past, but if you don't do it right, you got to keep doing it again. So I don't want to do that. But at least it'll be strong for hopefully 10 years or more. This is a tropic, so can't expect perfection. Anyway, progress, and we're using our new welder. My older welder, I guess timing is perfect. I gotta take it to a repair shop. The small one, the fan broke on it in the back, and I guess it's a common thing to happen. So all this old paint's gotta go. Not all of it, but probably a lot of it. Water getting under it, and of course the heat from welding just makes it come off real easy. But we were planning on painting it anyway, but it looks like it's going to be a lot of work. A lot more painting than expected, but